everybody. So Elijah Fox and I just put together an awesome course about arpeggiation. If you know his playing at all, you know he's an absolute master of making arpeggios just gorgeous, musical, and compositional. Today's video is a snippet from that course. So really excited for you to see this information that Elijah shares. It's incredible. And of course, if you are interested, more info about the course is in the description. All right, let's get into this lesson with Eli.
So now we're going to move on to some double 4-note arpeggios. And these get really cool because you can basically, we're still in 4/4 time, you can pick basically 2 4-note voicings and then loop them together. So I'll be C minor and I'll pick this. So for this I'm doing C, G, A flat, E flat, and then for the second one I'm doing D, E flat, D. So I've got once again that's so we've got these 2 shells and they're both in the same tonal center, but they're a little dissonant and referencing different things. So if we go just straight up, it'd be sometimes you can get in a flow with that and then try a bass line. And it can end up being a composition tool as well. So I can do one other example. Let's take another chord, maybe G major, and I'm going to pick another 2 4-note sets. So I'll do I did. And you can see this flows really nicely because it's ending near where it started, an octave higher. And then I'm right back on that D. So this is such a fun technique to basically, you're coming up with a simple cell, or you could think of it as 2 cells, that then you're going to repeat and almost use as building blocks for what could turn into a composition. If I wanted, I could do the same thing. And then I'll switch another chord, so. And then I'm already kind of, you know, sort of experimenting, but then it could end up turning into a composition. And then that cell can act as like a unifying force, because people attach their ears, they can hear the pattern in it, even though it's also, you know, could be linked to a lot of distinct emotions. But because there's some repetition, but the right amount of variation, it can create a really beautiful and awesome building block.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. I'm sure you all watching this who already know Eli's work, you're probably starting to think, wow, this is really starting to sound like those Elijah Fox recordings that I'm obsessed with. That's how I'm feeling right now. So this is awesome to be doing for you all. This is so much fun for us, I think. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you want to learn our entire in-depth step-by-step method for being able to arpeggiate like this and design your own arpeggios for production, composition, and soloing, course link is in the description. Please be sure to check it out. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video.